This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, the corn market was slightly lower yesterday as it was pressured by favorable weather conditions that seemed to offer up the potential of producing a record large crop in the U.S. One piece of potential good news for the bulls may be the ethanol industry, which appears to be stirring again as more folks start driving, although it's going to take some time to get us back to where we were prior to the coronavirus. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading a penny higher. The soybean market was on the defensive in the face of favorable weather conditions for the U.S. bean crop yesterday. Having said that, we did have some positive news in the form of a sale of 198,000 metric tons of soybeans to China. The weekly export sales number was also encouraging as it came in at a solid 24.1 million bushels. In the overnight trade, spot soybean futures are trading 2 cents higher as I record this. Wheat prices were mixed, with Chicago's spot futures closing slightly higher, while Minneapolis and Kansas City were lower for the day. There is some talk that the cool, wet weather that North Dakota has been experiencing will result in less spring wheat acres, which could ultimately be friendly for the Minneapolis futures. In the overnight trade, Chicago and Kansas City are each 4 cents higher, while Minneapolis is trading up 2. Cotton was slightly better for this session, with July futures finishing 39 points higher as they settle at 57.85. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading an additional 23 points higher. Livestock futures were mixed. August live cattle futures finished the day $1.42.5 lower. August feeder cattle were also under pressure as they finished down $2.02.5. Lean hog futures, on the other hand, were a bit stronger, with the June futures 87.5 cents higher at the close. Class 3 milk futures had another good session, with the June futures closing up 75 points to settle at 16.10, and we're trading an additional 75 points higher in the overnight trade. Meat cutout values were generally lower yesterday. Choice box beef was $15.07 lower to close at $450.92 per hundredweight. Select boxes were 16 cents higher as they settled at $437.40. And pork carcass values broke back a bit, finishing $3.42 lower as they closed the day at $113.79 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.